Warning: this video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a while since I recorded some quality content. I guess what, today I'm back with some good value. You're not gonna be seeing my face, or I'll just do some improvisation whereby I just put like an old video down just to spike engagement, because having your face I realize actually boosts the engagement of the videos. So this video is actually very important, so I'd like you to really watch it till the end. Of course, I'll try to keep it as engaging as possible using your videos and pictures. And today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you guys 8 businesses you can start anywhere. I really appreciate the growth of my channel. I remember the last time I was here, I was around 230. Now I'm about 334, and it's growing daily. So I appreciate this, and I'm going to try to create more value for you guys and share some good knowledge. I'll try to remain consistent now, but without wasting your time, let's get straight into it. So these are going to be 8 businesses you can start anywhere. Here we go. So these are 8 businesses you're going to be starting anywhere, presented to you by Rolly. And first I'm going to share with you guys the formula I use to start a business that is long term, not short term. I realize one thing I like to tell you: every time you're starting something, make sure you think about it in long term, not short term. So SENSE, as you can see here, SENSE stands for control, entry, need, time, and scale. These are the factors you have to consider when you're starting a business, So, and the 2 main things I like to highlight here, usually that affect people not to do anything, is one is lack of knowledge of what to do or not knowing where to start, and the second one is overwhelmed from too many things to do, hence procrastinating. So the best time to plan was 25 years ago. The next best time was yesterday, and the next best time is right now. So I'd like you guys to go ahead and get started with whatever business you're going to start here online. And the best part about this, I'm going to provide for you guys links where you can learn these skills and where you can actually start posting your work. So you guys, Google Skills Shop link in my description below, and also a website where you can learn free courses. So be sure to check out my description. And some important traits I would like you to put into consideration here is make sure you're consistent and you're patient. Number 8, backwards. So at number 8 is we have print on demand. So print on demand is basically where you design products and leverage other manufacturers to deliver them to the customer. For example, Redbubble, Teespring. A lot of guys use this. A lot of influencers, for example, Aziad is a Kenyan influencer on TikTok. She has her own print on demand business, and a lot of big guys like Justin Bieber uses print on demand to like promote his Drew clothing brand. And actually, the process of this is you don't have to keep inventory, and then it's actually very easy to start, and you don't need a lot of resources. And then, but the cons are it actually relies a lot on marketing, and you have to have your own market base. So this is actually very suitable for influencers who have like a dedicated fan base who can easily just go ahead and trust them whenever they create something. And we have affiliate marketing. Basically, this is where I sell products for a commission. So affiliate marketing is one of the most low risk businesses you can start. There's Amazon affiliates, there's Jumia affiliates. It's also almost has the same things as print on demand, but at this time you're promoting it to a certain niche of people. For example, you can be promoting a weight loss products. So if you build like a channel on TikTok or YouTube whereby you teach people how to lose weight, tips on weight loss, and basically guys who follow you are guys who are interested in these things. For example, my channel, I'm teaching people how to make money online, so it will make sense for me to be promoting a course or an ebook that will teach people how to like start and jumpstart their online business careers and all that. So I hope you understand this. Then at number 6 is we have a Jumia FBA, or this stands for Fulfilled by Jumia, or Amazon FBA. So basically this is also like drop shipping, except this time you have established a brand. You've created your own brand, and you just get your products in bulk, for example from Alibaba, and you send them to the Jumia warehouse and you keep them there. And then once a customer places an order, you can be chilling somewhere like in Mombasa or in Bali, and you just have to fulfill order. You just send the order to the guys at Jumia house who pick it up, package it for you, and send it to the customer within 2 to 3 days. Actually, this is the best way to actually do drop shipping, because usually Jumia brands, Amazon brands, they're trusted brands, so you don't have to do a lot of marketing, and then people usually go there with intention to buy it. It's not like window shopping. So yes, that is what Jumia FBA. Number 5 is becoming an influencer or brand ambassador. So a definition of influencer is a person with the ability to influence potential buyers of a product or service by promoting or recommending the item on social media. One of the guys, I'm sure you know, is a Kadilem, the TikTok sensational. This guy actually has a crazy wealth right now. This is from TikTok, not from this big anything. But this guy, I think, is worth around $2 million. All he just do is just open his hands, and just put on that face and the mask. And big brands are collaborating with him. Mercedes, Louis Vuitton. Guys are just calling him, just to show his face and do his hands, open his hands. So influencers, you have to also build a following, and also you have to have personality. You have to have guys like Kylie became a billionaire just because she was a big influencer on Instagram, and she just want to open like her Instagram, a cosmetic business on Shopify, and now it's worth billions, and girls just buy from it every single day. So yeah, this is actually one of the other ways you can make money online. This requires consistency and creating content, but it's easier to do nowadays with TikTok. And then at number 5 is you have a freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. So Fiverr is a place whereby you go list your gigs or your skills, and people are always looking for guys to do work for them at a cheaper rate compared to most of the time. And also, guys, there are tasks that are very repetitive, so you should just automate them by just assigning it to someone who can do it like at a lower rate. For example, video editing, creating thumbnails of your videos. Imagine you have like 200 videos and then you create thumbnails for them. It will just be easier for you to like assign somebody who has some good expertise on it and just do it. Things like voiceover, virtual assistants, yeah, all these things. I actually have, what to make money on Fiverr. It actually works. So yeah, I actually recommend you guys to go try this out. I'll share if you guys want me to go depth into this. Kindly comment Fiverr gigs in my comment section below so that I can create a video on some of the Fiverr gigs you can try out and where to learn them from. Yeah, it's very nice because everyone is just going to digital nowadays. So some of the guys you can actually follow is this guy called HBA Services on YouTube. He's from Pakistan. He speaks, I think, Pakistani. I don't really know the language in Pakistan, but I'll just call it that, Pakistani. But I was able to learn how to get my gigs and make money from learning from a different language. I didn't have to hear the things. I just had to watch what he's doing and apply it, because this is what online is all about. It's about watching what somebody is doing and applying it. Copy and paste, or just add your own sauce. You're not copying everything completely. Then at number 4 is YouTube. You guys know YouTube is a very big cash cow in the business. Or you choose a niche, make consistent videos, and then you use AdSense, affiliate shout outs. YouTube was much easier back in the old days compared to right now. Right now it's a very competitive and it's hard to get monetized because everyone knows about it. So yeah, but it's not too late. Trust me, it's not too late. There's always space. There's always people interested in something. So just find a micro niche and stay consistent with it. And then number 3 is you have a digital marketing. So digital marketing is whereby you become a digital manager of businesses. You provide digital services to people. For example, you run Facebook ads, you run analytics for people, you create Google ads, you create YouTube ads, you create content for people, you post content on social media for people, or you create content. Basically, this is what digital marketing is. Actually, Darryl Wilson is a very good person to go watch his channel on YouTube and get started. I actually have started my own digital marketing company as well because it's really very nice, and I've started delivering results for customers and they're very happy. So I think I'll actually be looking more into digital marketing as a future career plan as well. And number 2 is drop servicing. So basically, drop servicing is using virtual assistants to make money. It's almost like, it's more like a digital marketing, but now for a certain service you're specific. For example, you want to be designing logos for people or business cards. That is your job. You're providing a service, so you're dropping a service. You see, the service now is getting the logo, getting the business cards, creating, you see, not delivering the product. It's like the other side of drop shipping. And another one finally is your drop shipping, so whereby you sell things without holding inventory. For example, you sell a pet bed, you will get a store using Shopify and list it, market it on TikTok or Instagram. And if a person places an order, you send your order to your agent in China and they fulfill it at a lower rate and you keep the profit from the product. So yeah guys, these are the 8 businesses. I hope you have learned something. Go ahead and comment below your level in online businesses, or what you've learned in this video and what you'd like me to look into next, because you have to know that these are just summaries. This is not like the wider view. These are just summarized versions of them. So go ahead and comment which business you want me to go into detail. By detail I mean that I show you where to start, where to learn the skills. And last but not least, don't forget to go ahead and check out my links in the description. I've put in some very important links where you can get started, courses you can watch, And once again, thank you guys for the 334 subscribers. If you have friends who would like to learn more about businesses online, go ahead and tell them to subscribe and reach 100k. I mean, you reach 1000, yo, I'll be monetized and I'll be dropping some more value as well. And I'll also be able to create live webinars whereby you can interact, where you can ask me Q&As face to face online. And I'll also be updating you guys when I'll be back in Nairobi. Cheers. Thanks for sticking around and have a nice time.